Welcome, everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to load your Bursary data into this tool such that you can present your information according to the Bursary Forum's agreed KPI definitions, namely the throughput rate of your program. This tool will enable you to chart your throughput rate for every award cohort. Second KPI is time to graduation. The tool will allow you to pick between a couple of graphical representations of the distribution of your time to graduation of each award cohort. And finally, the third KPI of progression rate. Now, although at first sight this tool may look like a great complicated piece of work, it's actually based on a very simple principle, and it is very easy to use if you just follow the few simple instructions contained in the first tab. The principle used in building the tool is as follows. You'll begin by capturing a bit of personal information about the bursar. You'll then capture information pertaining to their particular incidence of study. And then every incidence of study, represented by a row, will result in either a negative outcome, such as a termination or withdrawal of the bursary, or a positive outcome, such as a graduation. In the event that no outcome is recorded, it is assumed that incidence continues and therefore that person is still studying. You'll be required to collect a few other pieces of information, such as filling in the prescribed minimum time of a degree and some information to contextualize your time to completion data. And then year on year, you'll want to be tracking the status of your students. And at the end of each year, you'll want to capture whether they passed or failed. The best way to think of this is an ongoing living database into which you can put your data as it becomes updated in order to keep these representations as close to real time as possible, given that much of this is only updated on an annual or 6-monthly basis. I'm now going to go through in detail how you would populate the tool. Column A is a